What are common Irish wedding traditions? Have you ever wondered what makes Irish weddings so special? The answer lies in the rich traditions that have been passed down through generations. When attending an Irish wedding or traveling in Ireland, you will notice several unique customs that add charm and meaning to the celebration. One of the most famous traditions is handfasting. This ancient Celtic ritual involves the couple holding hands, left hand to left hand and right hand to right hand. Their wrists are bound together with a ribbon or cord. This symbolizes their commitment to each other. The phrase "tying the knot" actually comes from this practice. Couples often personalize the ribbons using their wedding colors or fabrics from their home counties. Another beloved custom is the Claddagh ring. This distinctive Irish ring features two hands holding a heart topped with a crown. It represents love, loyalty, and friendship. Many couples exchange these rings as wedding or engagement tokens, making them a meaningful part of the ceremony. In Ireland, brides often wear a veil, but it serves a purpose beyond decoration. The veil is believed to protect the bride from evil spirits and mischievous fairies, reflecting old Irish beliefs in the supernatural. This adds an extra layer of significance to the wedding attire. The lucky horseshoe is another common symbol in Irish weddings. It is often hung above the door or carried by the bride to bring good fortune to the marriage. This tradition is rooted in the belief that horseshoes ward off evil and invite happiness. Brides also carry a lace handkerchief, which is often embroidered with the couple's initials or wedding date. Traditionally, this handkerchief is used to make a bonnet for the couple's first child, symbolizing family heritage and continuity. Another charming custom is the bride wearing something blue. This is an old Irish symbol of purity and fidelity. It is a way to honor the couple's commitment to each other while adding a touch of color to the wedding attire. Music plays an important role in Irish weddings as well. Traditional Irish music, often played with bagpipes or uilleann pipes, creates a lively atmosphere during the ceremony or reception. This adds to the festive spirit of the celebration. These traditions, some with pagan origins and others rooted in superstition, remain cherished in Ireland. Many couples today blend these customs with modern wedding elements, creating memorable and meaningful celebrations. Whether you are attending an Irish wedding or just curious about the culture, these traditions offer a glimpse into the heart of Ireland's rich heritage.